Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get the most tickets in Bloxburg. So basically you're going to obviously go trick-or-treating. So I'm just going to select, oh, not the check one here, claim, and then I'll get 25 tickets. Then there's also this bet section here, I guess, where you can basically earn either tickets or money by doing these events. So bring the ghost a potion. Says a new ghost appears each day at the event plot, each needing your help with their ghastly problems. Use a cauldron at the Halloween event plot to brew a potion that solves the ghost's problem and earn ear rewards for every successful delivery. There's also this one and like a daily candy bowl. So today's location is at Fiona's Flowers. I don't know where it is, but I think you'll get like 100 plus tickets if you get the candy there. And then if you trick or treat using the costume, you do need tickets in order to purchase the costume. You'll get more tickets by trick or treating. So instead of 25, you get 30. So I don't know which one I should do first. Okay, and you can also do the ghost hunt as well to get tickets. Should I do daily? Let's do daily potion and see. But those are the ways to get to earn tickets in Bloxburg on the Halloween event. If this is taking too long, I think I'm just going to end the video. Okay, there we go. So there should be. Oh, you can even get it from here, I guess. Oh, okay. Oh, you need Robux to use the cannon. Okay, I get it. And here's the like little activity. Game in progress though. I cannot join right now. Where's the cauldron? Is that it? No. Well, there should be like another activity in which you'll need to give a potion. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Is it here? Trick or treat all plots now have. Oh, never mind. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.